In a world brimming with information, gathering precise data is paramount. Whether you're a researcher, student, or professional, the quest for knowledge often begins with a well-crafted questionnaire. Questionnaires tap into collective wisdom, unlocking insights that shape decisions and drive innovation. They provide a structured means to collect standardized data from a targeted sample. By designing and administering questionnaires carefully, we gain access to valuable information. From understanding consumer preferences to conducting scientific research, questionnaires play a pivotal role. However, their effectiveness hinges on design and implementation. Mastering questionnaire preparation unlocks a powerful tool for knowledge acquisition. If you found this video helpful, please like, follow, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Our journey into questionnaire design begins with understanding what questionnaires are and their different forms. We will explore self-administered questionnaires and interview-based methods, each with its own advantages and limitations. Effective questionnaire design involves selecting an appropriate sample and crafting clear, unbiased questions. Consider respondent interpretation and the significance of response recording and analysis. Before diving into question wording, clarify research objectives, define the target population, and determine effective methods for engagement. This planning phase ensures the questionnaire aligns with research goals. We will cover all essential stages from pilot testing to data analysis. By the end, you'll confidently design and implement questionnaires that yield accurate, reliable data. A questionnaire is a structured instrument designed to elicit specific information. It serves as a standardized set of questions to gather data systematically. Think of it as a carefully orchestrated conversation, with each question prompting specific information. Questions can range from simple yes/no to complex open-ended inquiries. The choice of format depends on the information sought and research goals. Uniformity in questions minimizes response bias and ensures comparability. Questionnaires efficiently reach large populations through various distribution channels. The data collected can be quantitatively analyzed to provide valuable insights. Researchers have two primary avenues for administering questionnaires: self-administered and interview-based methods. Self-administered questionnaires allow respondents to complete the survey on their own time. They can be distributed through mail, email, online platforms, or in-person settings. The key advantage is cost-effectiveness and efficiency. Interview-based methods involve trained interviewers guiding respondents through the questionnaire. This approach offers a personalized experience, allowing for clarification and deeper responses. However, it is more time-consuming and resource-intensive. The choice depends on the research topic, target population, resources, and desired response quality. Self-administered questionnaires have become popular due to online survey platforms and respondent preference for convenience. They offer cost-effectiveness by eliminating the need for trained interviewers. This is advantageous for large-scale surveys or studies with limited budgets. Greater anonymity and privacy can lead to more honest responses. Respondents can complete the survey at their own pace, appealing to those with busy schedules. This flexibility can result in higher response rates. Self-administered questionnaires are efficient and cost-effective. They provide valuable data while respecting respondents' time and privacy. Designing an effective questionnaire is like constructing a well-planned building. Researchers must ensure each element contributes to the data's strength and reliability. A successful questionnaire guides respondents through strategically crafted questions. It establishes a clear and logical flow, minimizing confusion and ambiguity. The design encompasses layout, visual appeal, clarity of instructions, and use of white space. A visually engaging questionnaire captures respondents' attention. Tailor the design to the target population and mode of administration. Aligning design with the audience maximizes the questionnaire's effectiveness. Sampling is critical in questionnaire-based research. The quality of data depends on a carefully selected sample. Sampling determines the extent to which findings can be generalized. A representative sample shares characteristics with the target population. Probability sampling methods ensure random selection and minimize bias. Non-probability sampling methods are used when random selection is not feasible. The goal is to select a subset that accurately reflects the larger population. A well-chosen sample leads to reliable and generalizable findings. The heart of any questionnaire lies in its questions. Crafting effective questions requires clarity, conciseness, and strategic wording. Clear questions are easily understood by the target audience. Avoid jargon, technical terms, and complex sentences. Concise questions respect respondents' time and increase response accuracy. Avoid bias in question wording to ensure unbiased answers. Leading and loaded questions can distort responses. Strive for neutrality and objectivity in question wording. Setting the stage, objectives and scope. Embarking on the journey of questionnaire creation without a clear destination is akin to setting sail without a charted course. Define the overarching objectives and delineate the scope of the inquiry. This step ensures every question serves a specific purpose. Clearly articulated objectives guide data collection and analysis. They provide a framework for key variables and specific questions. Defining the scope involves setting boundaries around the research topic. A clearly defined scope keeps the questionnaire manageable. Consider if a questionnaire is the most appropriate method. Section 2. Navigating the terrain, methods of administration. With clear research objectives, we chart a course through diverse questionnaire administration methods. The chosen method, like a mode of transportation, influences the speed, cost, and success of data collection. Self-administered questionnaires offer convenience and cost-effectiveness. This method grants respondents the freedom to complete at their own pace. Flexibility can lead to higher response rates, especially for sensitive topics. Interview-administered questionnaires provide a guided and interactive experience. This method allows for clarification and deeper responses. A trained interviewer enhances data quality but requires more resources. The choice hinges on factors like question complexity, topic sensitivity, and resources. Before launching a ship into uncharted waters, a wise captain conducts sea trials to test its seaworthiness. Similarly, a pilot study tests the waters before full-scale data collection. It provides feedback on clarity, flow, and effectiveness. Administered to a small representative sample, identifies ambiguities and tests administration methods. Feedback refines the questionnaire for success. Revisions ensure clarity and engagement. As our ship returns to port, laden with a treasure trove of data, the journey of questionnaire-based research is far from over. The next leg of our adventure involves charting a course through the vast ocean of raw data, transforming it into meaningful insights that can illuminate the research question and guide decision-making. This crucial stage of processing and analyzing the collected data requires careful planning, meticulous attention to detail, and a deep understanding of statistical techniques to unlock the hidden patterns and relationships within the data. The first step in data processing involves cleaning and preparing the raw data for analysis. This meticulous process involves checking for errors, inconsistencies, and missing values, ensuring that the data is accurate and complete. Data cleaning might involve correcting typos, standardizing responses, and dealing with missing data through imputation or exclusion, depending on the nature and extent of the missingness. Once the data has been cleaned and prepared, the next step is to select appropriate statistical techniques to analyze the data and answer the research questions. The choice of statistical methods depends on the type of data collected, such as categorical or continuous, the research objectives, and the hypotheses being tested. Descriptive statistics such as frequencies, percentages, means, and standard deviations can be used to summarize the characteristics of the sample and describe the distribution of variables. Inferential statistics, on the other hand, allow researchers to draw conclusions about the larger population based on the sample data. These techniques, such as t-tests, ANOVA, and regression analysis, can be used to test hypotheses, examine relationships between variables, and make predictions about future trends. By employing appropriate statistical methods, researchers can transform raw data into meaningful insights that can inform decision-making, shape policies, and advance our understanding of the world around us. In questionnaire design, asking the right questions is paramount. Each question should elicit specific information addressing research objectives. A well-designed questionnaire is strategic, with every question serving a purpose. Questions are the building blocks of understanding. Revisit research objectives and identify key variables. Define the variables of interest to ensure purposeful questions. Avoid unnecessary questions to maintain focus and clarity. A concise questionnaire yields higher quality data. As we delve into the art of question crafting, we encounter a choice between multiple choice and open-ended questions. Multiple choice questions offer standardization and ease of analysis, while open-ended questions provide depth and nuance. The key is to align the question format with research objectives. Weigh the trade-offs to make the best choice. A well-designed questionnaire is a symphony of information, where each question flows seamlessly into the next. The order of questions impacts respondents' engagement and data quality. Logical sequencing minimizes confusion and enhances clarity. Start broad, then transition to specific topics. Group related questions to maintain logical flow. Clear transitions guide respondents through the survey. Let's delve into expert tips that elevate your questionnaires from good to exceptional. These strategies enhance response rates and data quality, unlocking richer insights. Use filter questions to streamline the survey experience. A visually appealing interface increases engagement and reduces survey abandonment. Consider incentives to motivate participation and boost response rates. Section 2, a glimpse into practice. Sample questionnaire design. Theory without practice is like a ship without a rudder, lacking direction and purpose. To bridge the gap between abstract principles and real-world application, let's examine a sample questionnaire design illustrating how the concepts we've discussed can be translated into a tangible instrument for data collection. This example will serve as a blueprint, guiding you through the process of structuring a questionnaire, crafting effective questions, and organizing information in a clear and coherent manner. Our sample questionnaire focuses on exploring attitudes towards renewable energy sources, with a specific emphasis on solar power. The target population is homeowners aged 25 to 65, and the questionnaire will be administered online. The first section of the questionnaire focuses on gathering demographic information, including age, gender, location, and housing type. These questions are essential for understanding the characteristics of the sample and identifying any potential demographic trends in attitudes towards renewable energy. The second section delves into the heart of the matter, exploring respondents' knowledge, attitudes, and beliefs about renewable energy sources. This section begins with a general question about respondents' familiarity with different types of renewable energy, followed by more specific questions about solar power, such as, to what extent do you agree or disagree with the following statement? Solar power is a viable energy source for my home? The final section focuses on respondents' past experiences and future intentions related to solar energy. This section includes questions about whether respondents have ever considered installing solar panels on their homes, the factors that influenced their decision, and their willingness to consider solar power in the future. By carefully sequencing these questions, we create a logical flow of information, guiding respondents from general knowledge and attitudes to more specific behaviors and intentions. Section 3. From blueprint to reality, bringing your questionnaire to life. With a well-crafted questionnaire in hand, the final stage of our journey involves transforming this blueprint into a tangible instrument for data collection. This crucial step involves selecting an appropriate platform for administering the survey, ensuring its accessibility to the target audience, and implementing strategies to maximize response rates. For online surveys, numerous platforms are available, ranging from free basic options to more sophisticated paid services. The choice of platform depends on factors such as the length and complexity of the questionnaire, the need for advanced features such as branching logic or multimedia integration, and the budget allocated for data collection. Once a platform has been selected, it's essential to pilot test the questionnaire with a small group of individuals from the target population. This trial run provides valuable feedback on the clarity, flow, and overall effectiveness of the questionnaire, allowing for any necessary revisions before launching the survey to the wider audience. Finally, to maximize response rates, it's crucial to effectively communicate the purpose and importance of the survey to potential respondents. This can involve sending personalized invitations, highlighting the relevance of the topic to their lives, and emphasizing the impact their participation can have. Offering incentives, ensuring confidentiality, and providing a clear timeline for completing the survey can further encourage participation. By carefully attending to these details, we can transform our meticulously crafted questionnaire into a powerful tool for gathering insights and advancing our understanding of the world around us. The empowering art of inquiry, crafting effective questionnaires, is more than just a technical skill, it's an art form. It requires scientific rigor, creative thinking, and understanding human psychology. Mastering these principles empowers us to construct questionnaires that illuminate human experience. Every step in the design process shapes the quality and richness of the data collected. Transform simple questions into powerful tools for uncovering insights and advancing understanding. Effective questionnaire design is invaluable in today's data-driven world. Embrace the art of inquiry to become effective communicators and agents of change. Unlocking knowledge, shaping the future. The true power of a well-designed questionnaire lies in its ability to gather data and spark meaningful conversations. By asking the right questions, we can unlock hidden knowledge and challenge assumptions. Insights from questionnaires can inform decision-making and drive innovation. This is the transformative potential of effective questionnaire design. The data we collect represents real people, and it is our responsibility to treat it with respect. By embracing ethical considerations, you become a skilled and responsible data gatherer. Go forth and unlock the transformative potential of effective questionnaire design.